marriage was the same in our country until the 1950s. Everybody had a
Right.
1950s marriage. That was the marriage that we had.
Right.
Women's liberation movement, society kind of changed. And women looked at men and said, step up, right?
Yep.
You can parent, you can change diapers, you can take paternity leave, you can do all this stuff, right? And much to women's surprise, men did.
Yep.
Right? Men are more involved in the rearing of their children than they ever have been in the history of the world, unless they were widowed, right?
Right.
So they're in it, right? They're capable. Dad can walk the floor with a screaming child with an ear infection. It's fine. It's not something in a uterus that gives you the ability to do that, right? Like dads can be compassionate and caring. Like it's all good, right? And so what happened though is that we women weren't very forward thinking in our judgment because we didn't realize that when you guys stepped up to be 50% parents, right? Or 100% parents 50% of the time,
Right.
we lost favored status,
Yep.
right? And I'm a woman who went through my own divorce. And I will tell you that even though I absolutely believe what I just said was true, I still had the idea that somehow my biology made me a better parent, that I should have more custody, right? I knew that that wasn't necessarily true. My ex-husband probably could have done a very good job. It would have been different than mine.
Right.
But I walked
But that's
into it.
okay.
It is. It
Yeah.
is. And kids really need both,
Yeah.
honestly, you know.
Yeah.
And so but I think that that's really changed and I think that we haven't kind of seen a leveling out of that society-wise yet about kind of that men have really stepped up and are capable parents.
Yeah. And, the court system hasn't either.